जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम फोर्थ श्लोक। Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, "Oh Krishna, look at there. Bhishma Pitamaha is there on that side, Kaurava side. My Acharya Dronacharya also is there on that Kaurava side. They are most deepest, worthy of deepest reverence. How can I fight against them, Krishna?" Like this, Arjuna is saying to Krishna Paramatma, having this meaning running in our thoughts, visualizing that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna at the feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma and Krishna Paramatma giving us Gitopadesam. With that kind of thought process, let us say the slokam. Kadham bhishmam aham sankhye dronancha मधुसूदना इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हौ अरिसूदना। Om. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing. If there are people who are worthy of deepest reverence but they are working on adharma side, do not stop your fight against them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep inculcating, cultivating love and devotion towards me. Keep on dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not stop my fight against the people who are working on adharma side, irrespective of even if they are worthy of deepest reverence but working on adharma side, I shall not stop my fight against them. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep cultivating love and devotion towards you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep dedicating all my actions to you and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Bhagavad Gita. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Spreading Bhagavad Gita can be done by just forwarding this video to as many people as you can every day. That is what is Gita Pracharam. That is what is Dharma Pracharam. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuha भाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi is telling all Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Krishna Paramatma is now departing from Hastina. While he is leaving from Hastina, all the ladies who all went to the top terraces of all the palaces, from there they are all looking at, they are all staring at Sri Krishna Paramatma and talking to each other about Krishna Paramatma's glory. Anyonyamasit Sanjalpa. Whatever that they are speaking about Krishna Paramatma, they are talking to each other. Whatever the words they are using, Sarva Shruti Manoharaha, their speech becoming the most essence of all the Vedas. Such is their communication about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Such are the words they are using while talking about Krishna Paramatma. Maharshis, they are saying like this to each other, Oh my dear friend, he is the one, Krishna is the one, Adi Purusha, Ya Eka Asit. He is the only one who used to be there before this entire Srishti creation. He is only will be existing before the creation, and at the time of pralayam, at the time of dissolution, he is the one who takes all the entities into him, and then when he feel like again doing srishti karyam, anama rupatmani rupanamani, he is the one who again brings out all the entities and does the creation and gives the shapes, gives the names to all the entities. Oh my dear friends, he is the one Shastrakrit, he is the one who introduces Vedas, he is the one who gives the laws from Vedas to the entire creation. Like that, O Maharshis, each other, they are talking about the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and they are continuously saying like this, O my dear friends, those who meditates upon this Krishna Paramatma, those who does worships this Krishna Paramatma, those who remembers this Krishna Paramatma, he is the one who sanctifies all those souls and removes all kind of sins. Oh my dear friends, he is the one, Krishna is the one who is revealed by Vedeshu Guhyeshu Cha. He is revealed by all the Vedas. He is revealed by all the Vedantas. He is glorified by all the Vedas. He is the one Srujati, Srishtikarta. He is the one Avati, protector. He is the one Atti, Layakarta. Even after doing all this, he never gets tainted by any kind of pollution of all these actions. He never gets contaminated. Na tatra sajjate. Oh my dear friends, he is the one, Dadat Yuge Yuge. He comes down in different forms, at different timings, for different purposes, to protect all the devotees, to remove all the bad people. He is the one who takes avatarams. Oh my dear friends, Pumsam Rushabha, Shriyah Patihi. He is the one who is the refuge eternal refuge to all the entities. He is the one Sakshat Sriyapati Srimannarayana. Oh friends, how greatly blessed that dynasty Yedukulam Aho Alam Slaghyatamam Yedoh Kulam. Those Yedu Vamsa, all the people, how blessed they are to have Krishna Paramatma working with them, talking with them, playing with them, having all kind of activities, performing with them. They are really blessed to have Krishna Paramatma. Oh my dear friends, Aho Alam Punyatamam Madhorvanam, that Madhura Nagari, how blessed that Madhura Nagari, how blessed that Bhumi, earth of Madhura Nagari, to have Krishna Paramatma walk here and there. Such Adi Purusha came down into Yaduvamsam. Such Adi Purusha Deva Deva is walking in the streets of Madhura Nagari. Like this, all the ladies, Antahpura Stri, all of them talking to each other about Sri Krishna Paramatma's effulgence. Happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 4th sloka. Kadham Bhishmam Aham Sankhye Dronancha Madhusudana Ishubhi Pratiyotsyami Pujarhau Arisudana. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.